All right, we're now in a outside confinement here that we did. Once again, Brian Zog with BZ Welding. We're over by Willow Lake, South Dakota. These customers of ours here contacted us, wanted to talk to us about how to design their pins, and they had the area. We come out, measured it all up, told them what we could do, what would work the best. And yeah, we started out here. We had 600 foot of feed line. Had our concrete guy that we use all the time come in and do this. We come in, put the feed rails and everything up, put all the divider fences up, and pounded all the posts in the ground for them. So as you can see here, all the way down, we've got an alleyway on the back side of the lots here to exit the cattle out, go to the working facilities. We've got a return alley down here by the cornstalk bales to bring them back around, and which works out really good for the customers. But now we'll head back up towards the working area. But this is just some of the bunk line here that we did. Worked out really well, but we'll go back up and show you the main part of the system here that works out the best.
Rick Bruley from Willow Lake, South Dakota. Oh, we're feeding just shy of 1,000 head of cattle, a couple hundred head of stock cows, and BZ put up the feedlot for us, and everything is working really good. Now we loaded out about an hour ago.
Quick deal.
Yeah, took us like 15 minutes to load a load of fats.
What's your favorite feature of the whole working system?
Probably the what do you call it? Bud box.
Makes life pretty easy.
Into the double alley. It really seems to work slick. Loadout's really handy for loading trailers. You can drop the floor and back in with the trailer. Everything wants to jump right on. Pick up the floor and load the trucks.
Double alleyway.
Start again.
Nice thing is with our double alleyways, we've got the adjustment on both sides. We can adjust it down to 15 inches wide, all the way out to 32 inches. One of the really nice features is on the double alleyways, our transition here, where we're going into the smaller, also squeezes along with the alleyway. The main advantage of the transition squeezing down, it just narrows it up so you don't have a big dead spot right there for the cattle to spin around and turn around, and then you got a backwards one in there and can't get them out. So now we're back on the other side of the feedlot here. We've got our alleyways that come down, and cattle can enter into this bud box that we're standing in right now. Nice thing is the bud box are going to come in, they hit this back wall behind us. They're going to turn around and come down the double alleyway. As they're coming down the double alleyway, we've got a couple features in here. Spring loader gate, which helps when the cattle are coming down both sides. This gate always re-centers. That way they know which way they're coming through here. Then we come in. We got a couple gate systems here. We can spin it that way so we can go straight into the chute, the working chute, or we can spin it and the cattle are going to come around the curve. We're going to head up the loading chute.
Let's talk about that load and shoot a little bit.
Now the load and shoot here, we got the adjustable ramp, so we can do the horse trailers or the semi-load. Right now it's set up for the semi. We take and winch it down, and we're set up for the horse trailer. Nice thing is here, when they come out, we've got another gate right behind us, so they can go straight out into the holding pen back here. This gate here, anyway, this gate here will swing in, meet up over here, and we'll shoot straight on out into our holding area. Now let's chain that back up.